Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Mithun and I am back with a new video. This will be a quick video. Today in this video we'll be changing the handlebar of my friend's FZ16, and what happened was he crashed and the handlebar got bent. So he bought a new handlebar. So we are going to change it. But the thing is that it's very common in 150cc bikes with wide handlebars to often crash and bend the handlebar. So it might be helpful for you guys. After watching this video, you will be able to change your handlebars. If it's bent, you can buy it from a service center and fix it by yourself. It's a clean and easy process. So let's start by removing the bar and weight first, and then we'll remove the levers, switch gears and brakes. So let's start the video, guys. And if you're coming here for the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring that bell icon, and please share and support. So that's how you can remove the handlebar. Now that we have removed the handlebars, I'll show you the old one with the new one, which we bought from Yamaha. So this is the new one and this is the old one. It's slightly bent. You can't see in the video, but when you ride you can clearly feel that it's bent on the left side. So we are going to change that with the new one. Align the handlebar correctly after putting the switch gear and see if it's touching the tank. Then tighten all 4 bolts. finally put the mirrors. So that's it guys, that's how you can change the handlebars, and I hope this video was informative and would be helpful for you guys. So this is it guys, see you guys in some other video. This is Midun saying ciao, take care, bye bye, and ride safe.
Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.